Air travel has evolved dramatically over the last century, from noisy, cramped cabins to spacious aircraft with in-flight Wi-Fi and gourmet meals. But one thing has stubbornly remained stuck in the past: the dreaded baggage claim. Every traveler knows the drill. You step off the plane, eager to get going, only to find yourself trapped in a holding pattern on the ground, waiting for your bag to trudge its way onto a carousel, sandwiched between dozens of equally tired passengers. Sometimes you wait 20 minutes, sometimes an hour. And if you're unlucky, your bag doesn't show up at all. But here's the exciting news. Baggage claim is on borrowed time. Futuristic innovations, powered by artificial intelligence, robotics, and smart logistics, are set to make it a thing of the past. Soon, you'll step off the plane and walk straight out of the airport, hands-free, without ever seeing a carousel again. Let's break down exactly how and why this transformation is happening. 1. From check-in to arrival, the smart baggage revolution. In the future, your journey with checked luggage will begin long before you arrive at the airport. Imagine checking your bag in at your home, hotel, or even an automated kiosk at a train station. As soon as you hand it over, an AI-powered tracking system takes over. Each bag will be fitted with a biometric-linked smart tag, a tiny chip that connects directly to your passenger profile. This tag will transmit its location in real time to your phone, so you'll know exactly where your bag is at any given moment. Blockchain technology will secure every transfer point along the way. Every time your bag moves, from the pickup driver to the sorting area to the aircraft hold, a time-stamped record will be added to a tamper-proof digital ledger. No more mystery about where your luggage went or who handled it. 2. Direct-to-destination delivery. No more airport pickups. The biggest game-changer will be direct luggage delivery. Instead of heading to baggage claim after landing, your luggage will head straight to your destination, your hotel room, home, or even a meeting venue. Companies and airports are already piloting this in cities like Tokyo, London, and Singapore. You'll simply land, pass through immigration, and walk out of the airport. Your bag might even arrive before you do. For business travelers, this means you can head directly to a conference without detouring to drop off luggage. For families, it means skipping the chaos of baggage carousels entirely. 3. Robotic baggage handling and underground systems. Inside the airport of the future, humans won't be shuttling bags around. Instead, autonomous robots will handle everything: scanning, sorting, and transporting luggage through underground tunnels. These electric robots will operate 24/7 with near-perfect accuracy. Their routing will be optimized by AI, ensuring no bags get sent to the wrong gate or wrong city. By removing human error and speeding up sorting, delivery times will shrink dramatically. Dubai and Singapore are already testing these systems. In the coming decade, they'll become standard in major hubs. 4. Your personal baggage drone. Here's where it gets really futuristic. Personal luggage drones. Think of them as your bag's private pilot. You could own or rent a drone capable of carrying your suitcase directly from your home to your destination. It wouldn't even pass through traditional airport baggage handling systems, bypassing potential delays and risks entirely. While this is still experimental, drone delivery tech is advancing so quickly that the idea of autonomous luggage flights isn't far-fetched. 5. Sustainability and efficiency. Gains eliminating baggage claim areas will allow airports to reduce their physical footprint. No more massive halls with dozens of carousels eating up valuable terminal space. Instead, airports could use that space for lounges, green gardens, or retail. Baggage vehicles on the tarmac, many of which still run on diesel, will be replaced by electric transport pods or conveyor-based systems. This shift will cut carbon emissions and help airports meet their net zero targets. 6. The passenger experience upgrade. In the world without baggage claim, your arrival experience will feel more like walking into a luxury hotel than an airport. No more dragging suitcases through crowds or juggling carry-ons while finding a taxi. Instead, you'll step off the plane and be on your way instantly. Airports will invest more in arrival lounges, city transfer hubs, and seamless connections to high-speed rail and autonomous taxis. The focus will shift from waiting to welcoming. 7. What's the timeline? 2025 to 2030. Widespread introduction of smart baggage tracking and partial direct-to-destination delivery in premium classes. 2030 to 2040. Full-scale robotic baggage handling becomes standard in large airports. 2040 to 2050. Majority of passengers skip baggage claim entirely. Personal luggage drones emerge for long-distance and premium travel. By mid-century, baggage claim as we know it will be rare, a relic of the old travel era. 8. Final thoughts. The end of the carousel era. The airport of the future isn't just about faster planes or bigger terminals, it's about reclaiming time. Removing baggage claim is part of a broader vision to eliminate every unnecessary delay in travel. The benefits are clear. Zero waiting time for luggage. Fewer lost or damaged bags. Reduced stress for passengers. Lower carbon footprint for airports. One day soon, the carousel will be as obsolete as the airport smoking lounge. Something you'll tell your kids about, and they'll be amazed such a thing ever existed. The next time you're waiting by that slow-moving conveyor belt, remember, change is coming, and it's going to set you free.